This is why you need to see these deserts for yourself. Vast horizons, surreal beauty, and endless adventure await. First up, the Sahara, Africa's golden sea with waves of sand stretching as far as your eyes can see. Next, the Atacama in Chile, so dry it barely sees rain, but its sunsets paint the sky in brilliant colors. Then, the mesmerizing white desert in Egypt, where chalky rock formations rise like frozen waves in a sea of pale sand. Don't miss the red dunes of Namibia's Namib Desert, towering giants that glow at sunrise. Finally, the Bading Jaran in China, home to the world's tallest sand dunes and hidden lakes that shimmer under the sun. Which desert would you explore first? Drop your pick in the comments and subscribe for more incredible journeys.